The topic for discussion is calculations of percentage purity of acid, base, or salt. For the topic, I want to look at example of past SSC question involving calculation of percentage purity. On the tutorial board is the question, which is as follows. A is 0.1 mole per dm cube HCl solution. B is a mixture of K2CO3 and KCl salt containing 8.3 gram in 250 cm cube of solution. Calculate the 1. Concentration of B in mole per dm cube. 2. Concentration of B in gram per dm cube. 3. Percentage by mass of K2CO3 in the mixture. Note the following. The equation of reaction is 2 mole of HCl plus 1 mole of K2CO3 to give 2 mole of NaCl plus 1 mole of CO2 plus 1 mole of water. In the equation, the number of mole of HCl acid, that is Na, is equal to 2. The number of mole of K2CO3 base, that is Nb, is equal to 1. The average volume of acid used, that is Va, is given as 24.30 cm cube. The volume of base pipetted, that is Vb, is given as 25 cm cube. Note that when the examiner gives mixture of substances as impure sample, the concentration in mole per dm cube is calculated for the pure acid, base, or salt in the impure sample given. In this question, the concentration of impure sample, impure mixture of K2CO3 and KCl, is given as 8.3 gram in 250 cm cube. This concentration cannot be used to calculate the concentration of B in mole per dm cube, which is for the pure K2CO3 in the impure sample. Therefore, the concentration of B in mole per dm cube for the pure K2CO3 can only be calculated using Ca times Va divided by Cb times Vb equal to Na divided by Nb. Similarly, the concentration of B in gram per dm cube, which is for the pure K2CO3, has to be calculated and is calculated using concentration of B in mole per dm cube multiplied by molar mass of B. On the tutorial board, question 1 is calculation of concentration of B in mole per dm cube. That is, concentration in mole per dm cube of pure K2CO3. This is calculated using Ca multiplied by Va divided by Cb multiplied by Vb equal to Na divided by Nb, as shown on the tutorial board. Concentration of B in mole per dm cube is represented by Cb. To calculate Cb, we make Cb the subject of the formula, and we have on the tutorial board Cb equal to Ca multiplied by Va multiplied by Nb divided by Vb multiplied by Na. Substitute all values for Ca, Va, Nb, Vb, Na into the formula for Cb we have on the tutorial board. Cb equal to 0.1 for Ca multiplied by 24.30 for Va multiplied by 1 for Nb divided by 25 for Vb multiplied by 2 for Na, and the answer is 0.0486 mole per dm cube. On the tutorial board, question 2 is calculation of concentration of B in gram per dm cube. That is, concentration in gram per dm cube of pure K2CO3. This is calculated using concentration of B in mole per dm cube for the pure K2CO3 multiplied by molar mass of B, that is K2CO3. The concentration of B in mole per dm cube for the pure K2CO3 is calculated and is 0.0486. The molar mass of K2CO3 is calculated on the tutorial board as follows: 39 times 2 for K2 plus 12 times 1 for C plus 16 times 3 for O3, and the answer is 138 gram per mole. Therefore, concentration of B in gram per dm cube equal to 0.0486 multiplied by 138, and the answer is 6.7 gram per dm cube. On the tutorial board, question 3 is calculation of percentage by mass of K2CO3 in the mixture. That is the percentage purity of K2CO3 in D. This is calculated on the tutorial board using concentration in gram per dm cube of pure K2CO3 sample divided by concentration in gram per dm cube for the mixture of K2CO3 and KCl multiplied by 100. The concentration in gram per dm cube of pure K2CO3 is calculated and is 6.7 gram per dm cube. The concentration of the impure mixture of K2CO3 and KCl is given in 250 cm cube and is calculated in gram per dm cube using simple proportion method as shown on the tutorial board. If 250 cm cube of the impure mixture contain 8.3 gram, therefore 1000 cm cube will contain 8.3 divided by 250 times 1000. Therefore, the concentration in gram for the impure mixture of K2CO3 and KCl is equal to 33.2 gram per dm cube. Therefore, percentage by mass of K2CO3 in the mixture equal to 6.7, which is concentration in gram per dm cube for the pure K2CO3, divided by 33.2, which is concentration in gram per dm cube for the impure mixture, multiplied by 100, and the answer is 22.8%.